Hey guys, how you doing? I also knows Mr. Hot Touch 101 here. I'm pretty excited. I got myself a new digital camera here. My last one, which was the Sony Cybershot W330, got lost, aka basically stolen. So I'm gonna unbox you guys the Sony W330 14 megapixel 4x and optical zoom, 26mm but equal lens, and the velocity. Let's go ahead and get to this bad boy. A little trouble here. I'll bring a little trouble unboxing this. There we go. Finally got that unboxed. Well, let's tear up the box at least. Alright, so here's what the box looks like. We have ourselves a little warranty. By the way, guys, this camera is $169.99 at Target. Just buy it at Walmart. It's a premium camera. You can find this at a store in Target, the red one. That's where I got it at. It's a warranty thing. Probably never read that. Here we have ourselves a Sony 15% off next purchase stuff. Might keep that. Here's another thing. 15% off eligible accessories. So just kind of throw this off to the side. So here we have a CD, which I'll probably never put in, because last time I remember I did not need to put in the Cybershot. Here's the instruction manual, which I'll probably never read, because I know what a Cybershot is. And I've played this one before. So I've owned one before. And here we have a little tab they have to pull up on. So it's, if you should need assistance with your Sony product, we're here to help. And here's a little hotline that you'd call for Sony. So put that down. I don't know if y'all can see that, but here is what packaging looks like. Let's see inside this. Alright. Let's see here. This is what the package looks like. There's the charger. Sorry guys, if you see my recording this over my computer. And for your lithium battery, goes into the wall and out. Just slide it right here. This is, I believe if I remember correctly, this is green the whole time until it's completely charged, then it's no color at all. So there's the charger. That's the side. Here's the charger. Here's the battery. Lithium ion. Lasts up to 3 hours straight. It's got a really cool design to it. So we got that. Let's see what time am I at here. 4 minutes. Alright, we're good. Here's the battery, which the little directional button puts it into the charger. Here is the cord that allows you to connect it to your TV. Here's the little insert to your camera, and here's the little connector to the TV. So you can play slideshows and all that. Here is a little connector, as you connect it from the camera to your computer, upload videos. They used to come with just one cord, goes into your camera, one splits off the USB, the other splits off into this. And so finally, here is the camera itself, which I will take out some back. That's that. Let's put the backs off to the side now. Instructions, cords, chargers. Here's the camera. It comes with a band on it. You could probably take it off if you want to. Here's a little attachment. It tells you some information about the camera. And here it is. Sony Cybershot W330. It's red. It doesn't really seem red, but trust me, it's red. On the internet, it does not look red. It looks pink, but it's red. Here we have the Carl Zeiss, which are telescope type lenses. So these have the best video quality. Your flash, 14 megapixels, Sony Cybershot. Here's our LCD screen. These are very fingerprint magnets. You might want to watch out. Zoom out, zoom in. Alright, got a fingerprint on it. That was easy. I just barely touched it. Your camera to video. Your display mode, your menu, your garbage, your slideshow mode, or you go through other stuff. Flash, self-timer, and smell detection mode. Here's where you put on a tripod. Here's where you insert, you just open up that latch, insert your battery and your memory stick, and your memory stick has to be a Memory Stick Pro Duo. You can get one from Sony, or you can get one from Lexar. Lexar ones are cheaper, by the way. You see right here, up to 60% off your Adobe software purchase. It is compatible with takes photos faster, and it is HD compatible with the AVEC HD thing. This is made specifically for Sony, and that is 4 gigabytes. Alright guys, so here you have your Sony camera. I will do a review on this later. Like I said, it's a very fingerprint magnet. I got a fingerprint on it. And yeah, I will be doing a review. Trust me, if you're a YouTuber and you want to do you're looking for a camera, but you don't have enough money for a camcorder, get a Sony. I've had a Sony before, got one again. Sony's got the best video quality for YouTube without getting a camcorder. And it's very sleek, as you see, pocket size. It's very light actually, it's not even an ounce. It's 0.6 ounces without the battery and the memory stick in there. So it's very lightweight. So yeah, thank you guys for watching on my Sony unboxing. And please don't forget